guys, it is Stealth Killer 117 back with another video. So this time we're not going train station. Sorry guys, I know you guys want to see that. But today I'm with guess who?
Yeah guys, it's the Fortnite gang, bro.
Yeah, the one and only. So no, we're not.
Wait.
So we're not going to the train station today. We might tomorrow. Don't know yet. But I'm going to Scott's.
Yeah. We'll catch a train to Scott. We'll take a train to Trent Valley, yeah. And then we'll walk. You can walk down the Leisure Centre way and go that way while I go home.
Well, okay.
Good. See.
So yeah, guys, you heard it all. I'll stay recording until well, hopefully I get to Scott. If it doesn't, then I'm sorry, because then my time will be up. So my friend here will make a YouTube channel before he goes with me. Turn it around.
Yeah, guys, ready? The Fortnite gang, bro. Look who I'm with now.
Look at that, we're recording each other.
Yeah, boys, you're just with the Fortnite gang, bro. 2 minutes the same.
Yo, yeah.
Mini punch, mini punch. 2 minutes the same, bro.
Fortnite gang is back again. We're gonna make a video then you like. You're gonna subscribe, you're gonna look that guy.
Yeah. Play that.
Stars. So yeah guys, we're walking now. Oh, fire! So yeah guys, this is a... Oh, look at that BMW, man. You guys heard that right. Where you going, bud? Oh, well, I'm going up this way.
Come on.
Fine. But I gotta hurry up though. Hey there, baby! So guys, what's good? Had a nice day? Anybody's been to school? Drop a comment below and tell me if you have. Tell me if you guys have been to school, college, work, anything like that. So tell me in the comments. Tell me if you have a shit day, good day, amazing day, horrible fucking shitty day. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry, he forced me into this. We're back here. I'm so sorry guys about this.
Look at that, guys!
Then that is about 8 cabbages and...
Guys,
Dunno.
this will be my car later. That makes you good, boys.
Probably that's gotta be his car. Yeah, fucking right.
Yeah, because I got a Fast and Furious car on my drive.
Yeah, he actually...
Boys, look at that, boys!
It's a fucking budget video!
It was 9 times that was, boys. Right, I can't wait to get on this. Ready, boys?
Whoop, whoop. So that train is just going now. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so
guys, we'll get back with you, yeah?
yeah, we'll get back with you
When we're on the train.
when we're on the train. So
Peace out.
everyone, stay stealthy, subscribe, like, press the link, upload to any of you guys.
Guys, we're still doing that.
And I'm still doing a giveaway.
That iPhone 7.
So
And the PlayStation 4.
thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, guys.